is that shiny place? I've never seen a swamp sparkle like this before. Today we're gonna think like real scientists. First we guess, then we test, and finally, we learn. Can you guess what sinks and what floats? I think we can solve this mystery together. This stone feels heavy. What do you think? Will it float or sink? Ready? Let's count together. 3, 2, 1. 1. Say your answer out loud. Wow. It sank. The heavy stone went all the way to the bottom. Look. The stone is resting at the very bottom. It didn't stay on top of the water adder at all. Wow! This bamboo feels very different. It's much lighter than the stone. I wonder what will happen if we test it. Let's play another guessing game. What do you think? Will this bamboo float or sink? It floats! It stayed right on top of the water. Look inside. The bamboo has tiny air spaces. Those little air pockets help it stay on top of the water. Now we know. The heavy stone sinks. And the bamboo floats. Great job, little scientists! Wow! A magical treasure chest! Look at all these fun objects! Let's discover which ones sink and which ones float. Before we test, can you guess? Which one will float and which one will sink? Say your answers out loud. The leaf floats, the duck floats, the toy boat floats, the spoon sinks. And look, the apple floats too. Let's remember, stone and spoon sink, bamboo and leaf float, duck, apple, and boat float. That was fun! You did an amazing job! You guessed, you observed, and you learned like a real scientist. This special medal belongs to you too. Today we discovered some things sink and some things float. What should we explore next? Magnets, rainbows, or bubbles? You're amazing! Like, subscribe, and join Dino Chintu Adventures!